There's a twist in a 6-year court battle stemming from a divorce, and it is sparking outrage this morning. A Michigan judge is holding 3 kids in contempt of court after they refused to spend time with their father. The children, including one teenager, are now in a juvenile detention facility.
The judge stated, quote, "When you can follow the court's direct order and have a normal, healthy relationship with your father, I would review this." She added, "You are so mentally messed up right now, and it's not because of your father."
Gorcyca made national news when she threatened 3 young children with juvie when they refused to spend time with their father. Gorcyca says she was frustrated by the years-long case, but the Judicial Tenure Commission says it was abuse of power, and it could have some long-ranging consequences.
You know what the reality is? Abuse of power translates into judicial misconduct. She's got some real problems here.
You want to have your birthdays in Children's Village? Do you like going to the bathroom in front of people? Is your bed soft and comfortable at home?
This day on the bench has now caused Oakland County Circuit Court Judge Lisa Gorcyca some real professional problems. The judge says she was exasperated by a long-standing divorce case with serious drama over parental custody and visitation. So much so that she threatened to send the children, then all under the age of 14, to Children's Village for refusing to spend time with their father. That move and her behavior that day on the bench has a panel of her own colleagues calling it an abuse of power and misconduct in office.
In a report released just this afternoon, Judge Daniel Ryan, appointed to oversee her trial in June, had some harsh words about Judge Gorcyca's behavior on the bench. She had been presiding over a heated divorce and child custody battle that made international headlines. It involved the Simone children, who refused to see their father. Judge Ryan's report says Gorcyca failed to uphold high standards, specifically saying, quote, failing to act in a patient, dignified, judicial manner by making disparaging comments to the children about themselves, their siblings, and their mother during the contempt hearing that crossed the bounds of stern language, end quote. It's now up to the Michigan Supreme Court to decide whether Judge Gorcyca will face any disciplinary action.
Here's the situation. We just spoke with Lisa Gorcyca's attorney. He tells us that while they respect the process, that he finds the decision that was reached here today, quite frankly, to be surprising as well as disappointing. So Lisa Gorcyca, her attorney, go back in front of the JTC in September to figure out exactly what kind of consequences we're talking about.
And Mara, when you talk about consequences, how much trouble is she really in here? Do we know?
We do sort of have an idea here. I talked to several legal eagles today to have them weigh in on what they think is going to happen here. And it ranges from this. They wonder whether the Michigan Supreme Court is going to accept these findings. Some of them found the findings here to be just a tad over the top. They don't think that she will be removed from the bench. I didn't find one who thought that would be the case. They said worst case scenario here, she faces a significant suspension.